Welcome back to my YouTube channel Driven Daily. Today we're diving into something that feels like it was pulled straight from a dream. The 2025 Ferrari Motorhome, a vision of luxury and performance that stretches into the future of 2026. Now, when most people think Ferrari, they think of supercars, racetracks, screaming engines, and the kind of performance that belongs on posters and bedroom walls. But imagine taking that same DNA, the prestige, the technology, the beauty, and stretching it into something designed for the open road and long-distance travel. This is not just any motorhome, it's Ferrari's way of reimagining what luxury mobility means in a world that refuses to compromise. The 2025 Ferrari Motorhome is all about merging two very different worlds: high-performance automotive engineering and the ultimate comfort of a rolling 5-star suite. On the outside, the design is unmistakably Ferrari. Aggressive aerodynamics sweep across the body, with sharp edges, sculpted intakes, and LED lighting signatures that scream Italian craftsmanship. Instead of the bulky, blocky motorhome shapes we're used to, this machine looks like a futuristic hypercar stretched into a grand touring mansion. Carbon fiber panels, lightweight alloys, and adaptive aerodynamic systems keep it sleek and efficient. Ferrari wants you to feel like you're commanding something powerful, even if you're cruising down the highway instead of roaring around Monza. Step inside, and it's a different kind of Ferrari experience. The 2026 edition takes things even further, blending cutting-edge smart technology with the finest materials you can imagine. Italian leather wraps around reclining seats that are designed more like private jet thrones than anything you'd expect in an RV. Carbon fiber trims, brushed aluminum accents, and even hand-stitched embroidery remind you that you're not in just any motorhome, you're inside a Ferrari. There's a full digital control suite that integrates lighting, temperature, entertainment, and navigation into one seamless system, accessible from your phone or voice commands. Think of it as Ferrari's take on turning your home into a luxury cockpit. Of course, no Ferrari would be complete without performance. Underneath this futuristic mansion lies a hybrid powertrain adapted from Ferrari's next-generation supercars. A V8 twin-turbo paired with advanced electric motors ensures that despite its size, the Ferrari Motorhome delivers jaw-dropping acceleration and precision handling. Adaptive suspension systems, active torque vectoring, and advanced stability controls keep the ride smooth and thrilling at the same time. This isn't just a slow cruiser, it's a motorhome that can outpace expectations while still delivering the comfort of a private villa on wheels. The 2026 model expands on the 2025 design with more autonomous driving features, allowing long-haul journeys to be stress-free. Ferrari is integrating Level 4 self-driving tech, so the motorhome can handle most highways on its own, while you sit back and enjoy the experience. Imagine sipping Italian espresso in the lounge area while your Ferrari literally drives you to your next destination. That's the future they're hinting at, and it's absolutely wild. The Ferrari Motorhome isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about making every moment of the journey feel unforgettable. It's a statement piece, a lifestyle choice, and the ultimate fusion of speed, luxury, and innovation. For those who can afford it, it's not just a vehicle, it's a moving symbol of power, prestige, and the dream of freedom.